Understanding personal style, a guide to English expression. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating aspect of language, personal style. This phrase is not just about fashion, but about expressing one's unique identity and preferences. Let's explore what it means and how it's used in English. Personal style refers to the unique way an individual expresses themselves through choices in clothing, communication, behavior, and lifestyle. It's not limited to fashion, it encompasses a person's entire way of presenting themselves to the world. Understanding this term helps in appreciating the diversity and uniqueness of individuals. In language, personal style is about how someone uses words and expressions to convey their personality. It can include the choice of vocabulary, tone of voice, and even the type of humor they use. This style makes each person's communication distinct and recognizable. Embracing your personal style is crucial for self-expression and authenticity. It allows individuals to communicate who they are and what they believe in. In a global and diverse environment, understanding and respecting each other's personal style fosters a more inclusive and understanding society. Personal style can vary significantly across cultures. What is considered stylish or appropriate in one culture might be different in another. This section will explore these differences and how they shape our understanding of personal style globally. I hope this video has shed light on the concept of personal style and its relevance in our lives. Remember, your personal style is a reflection of your unique identity. Embrace it, respect it in others, and enjoy the diversity it brings to our world. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.